Hi friends, welcome back to a new episode of Private Multinational Company Jobs for Mechanical Engineers, 15th October 2021. In this video, you can watch job opportunities for early career professions. Early career professions means freshers and 1 to 2 year of experience holders. Every Friday we will upload new employment opportunity for early career professions, and this week in this video we have included 4 multinational company jobs. All the jobs saying in this video are for freshers, so please watch the video till the end. In this, first one is GE Renewable Energy Bangalore. Pitch System Cabinet Mechanical Engineer at GE Renewable Energy Bangalore. About the company, GE Renewable Energy is a division of General Electric France focusing on production of energy from renewable sources. Its portfolio of products includes wind, onshore and offshore, hydroelectric and solar power generation solutions. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or early career professionals, that means 0 to 1 year of experience. Job posting date is 13th October 2021. Job ID is R3597209. Job description summary. As a mechanical engineer in the land constrained hub system team, you will be at the forefront of wind turbine technology and systems design in GE Renewable Energy onshore wind. You will influence wind turbine product development and be involved in the development of mechanical components in the electrical pitch system from concept to implementation. Roles and responsibilities. Support design of pitch system, control cabinets including sheet metal enclosures and internal components from concept to implementation for wind turbine new product introduction. Define cabinet component layout for electronic components including painted circuit boards, contactors, breakers, etc. Develop and support mechanical tests including vibration, ingress protection and corrosion protection. Manage bill of material, approved vendor list and product life cycle change control, etc. Required qualification: Bachelor's of Science or higher in mechanical engineering or equivalent from an accredited college or university. Experience in mechanical cabinet design and testing. Experience in creating models in NX or similar. Experience performance mechanical analysis in ANSYS or similar. Desired characteristics: experience in working with certification bodies including UL, ASA and TUV, wind turbine experience, strong oral and written communication skills, etc. Role is pitch system cabinet mechanical engineer. Category is GE Renewable Energy. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. You can directly apply from by clicking that description link from my description. Next is Xylem International Corporation, Vadodara. Engineer FEA at Xylem International Corporation, Vadodara, Gujarat. Xylem International Corporation is a large American water technology provider in public utility, residential, commercial, agricultural and industrial setting. The company does business in more than 150 countries with 2018 revenues of $5.2 billion and 17,000 employees worldwide. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 2 year. Location of posting will be in Vadodara, India Technology Center. Essential duties or principal responsibilities: independent project execution of product structural simulation and designing, independent product CAD development, independently perform the task and can mentor the peers, willing to travel local or global site for short to long duration per business needs. Minimum requirements: full-time ME or MTech degree in mechanical engineering with a specialization in CAD, CAM or machine design is preferred. Secured more than 60% of first class in all attempts since SSC examination without any backlog. 0 to 2 year of experience. Knowledge of CREO and ANSYS is advantages. Excellent communication and interpersonal skills, etc. Role is engineer FEA. Industry type is water technology company. Employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. Next is Zynd, Hyderabad. Stress analysis engineer at Cyient Hyderabad. Cyient, formerly Infotech Enterprise Limited, is an Indian multinational technology company that focused on engineering, manufacturing, data analytics, and networks and operation. We leverage the experience of 15,000 associates in 14 countries, combine global deliveries with the local relationships, invest in the power of ideas, and exploit digital innovations. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 1 year. Job ID is JR026948. Roles and responsibilities: perform structural analysis of complex nature using conventional hand calculation and computational analysis on metallics. Perform structural analysis on aero engine or turbo machinery components, stress report writing, etc. Required skill: sound knowledge in FEA fundamentals, engineering concepts and application, hands-on experience on ANSYS Classic and Hypermesh, good analytic and problem solving skill, effective communication skill and interpersonal skills, and excellent team player, ANSYS finite element analysis, ANSYS mechanical, Hypermesh, etc. Role is stress analysis engineer. Functional area is R&D. Employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown in screen. Next is JLL International Corporation, Mumbai. Mechanical and Electrical Executive at JLL, Mumbai. JLL is a leading professional service firm that specializes in real estate and investment management. JLL shapes the future of real estate for better world by using the most advanced technology to create rewarding opportunities, amazing spec and sustainable real estate solution for our clients, our people and our communities. For further information, please visit the website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 2 year. Job ID is RUQ 174997. Job duties: you will work hand in hand with the site managers to deliver only the best property management service. Having superb operational skills will be vital to this role because you will make roadmap on how to smooth out the daily operations of the designed site. On top of this, you will be need to keep tabs on operating system license and make sure that they are updated. You will also carry out routine checks on all common M&D services to guarantee that operations timing match the approved schedule and operations conditions are acceptable. Role is mechanical, electrical executive. Functional areas real estate and investment management. How to apply? Industry candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. That's all for this week's early career job news video. For the next early career job news video, please subscribe our channel Mech Engineering World. Thank you.